Hi guys, and welcome to today's episode of Biology. So in today's episode, we're going to be focusing on the plant transport system. As we know, vertebrates and flowering plants are large organisms and have transport systems to carry substances such as food and water throughout their bodies. These transport systems move fluids through tubes so that all of the fluid moves in the same direction within each tube. Vertebrates have a circulatory system consisting of the heart and blood vessels. And today, we're going to be looking at flowering plants which have two separate transport systems, the xylem and phloem. Before we look at the xylem, let's look at a simple experiment which demonstrates a very interesting concept. As I mentioned earlier, all plants have two transport systems, which are the xylem and phloem. These are plant tissues made up of cells which are found throughout the plant and are specialized for transports. Xylem tissue transports water and mineral ions. The roots of a plant absorb the water and mineral ions from the soil. These then enter the xylem in the root and travel upwards in the stem to the leaves, flowers, and fruits. The other transport system, the phloem, transports sucrose, amino acids, and hormones. So, as we saw in the video earlier, the colored water was absorbed by the roots of the plant and moved up until it colors the flower. How do you think the colored water moved up the plant? Through the xylem or the phloem? That's right, it was through the xylem vessel. The xylem vessel does not contain any cytoplasm or nuclei. It is just like a long drain pipe. You can see that it is empty and it is actually made up of many hollow dead cells joined end to end. The end cell walls are broken down and have disappeared, which thus forms a long open tube. This xylem vessel runs from the roots of the plant right up into the stem. Their cell walls are made up of cellulose and something special known as lignin. Lignin is very strong, so xylem vessels help to keep the plants upright. Most woody plants are entirely made of lignified xylem vessels. So as you can see in the diagram here, the xylem is totally hollow and does not have any cytoplasm or nuclei. And this is further emphasized as seen in this transverse section. Xylem vessel can be seen even in the leaf over here. And you can differentiate it since it does not have any cellular contents. There are many questions which test on the structure of xylem in IGCSE. For example, this question. So one feature that you can mention that is present in a xylem vessel is that it has thick or strong cell wall. This helps the xylem vessel to withstand the tension of the water transport. Another feature of the xylem vessel is it has lignin in its cell walls. This prevents the collapse of the xylem vessel. The third feature is that the xylem vessel is wide. This allows for the transport of large volumes of water. Another feature is that the xylem does not have any cellular contents or it looks like a drain pipe. This means that it does not have resistance to the flow of water and also allows for water to flow easily through the xylem. So, in summary, a plant has two transport systems. One is the xylem, which transports water and mineral ions from the roots up to the leaves and other parts of the plant. The other is the phloem, which transports sucrose, amino acids, and hormones from the leaves to the roots and also other parts of the plant. Hope this video helped. Thank you. Bye-bye.